In our previous video, Special Design channel has made several home design videos with large size. Now we have also drawn a small house. The design of this house is only 8 times 11 meter squares. This small house design is suitable for megapolitan big cities that are usually high population density. Although small in size, this house has 3 bedrooms, a kitchen, pantry, dining room, living room, and terrace, which is sufficient for a place to relax. Each bedroom also has a dress room inside. The dress room is next to the bedroom. There is one master bedroom, which size is wider. This room is on the right side. On the left side, there are 2 bedrooms. These bedroom sizes are smaller. One and easy accessible bathroom is in the middle of the house. This bathroom can be accessed through the central corridor.